I'm Zaina, and this is my Star Wars-inspired RPG game. Here we have the implementation of my character class, which keeps track of the character's variables such as its name, type, or health. Here we see the interactive functions that change those variables, for example, using milk to heal. Here we also have the save and loading method. The 3 unique derived classes from the character class I created were a Jedi, a Sith, and a Stormtrooper, which all have different attacks and once you start and run the program, it'll prompt player 1 to put in the character's name and select what type of character it would like to be. Afterwards, player 2 will input their name and also pick which character they would like to be. After a menu will pop up asking what player 1 wants to do, I'll pick fight, and I'll choose number 1, which is strike. Then player 2 will pick what they want, and player 2 is going to pick 1, and then we'll both strike, and he'll choose one or the other, attack or blaster, because stormtroopers have melee and ranged weapons. After getting hurt, I choose and manage to escape the battle. After escaping the battle, I decide to go to the shop to buy some Banthar milk to increase my health, so I purchase one for 10 Imperial credits. As I leave the shop, I decide that I would like to see my character's stats, and then I leave the city. As my character Zaina leaves the city, Gavin decides to click option 1 and fight, so our characters exchange strikes. After taking a hit, Zaina decides to choose option 3 to rejuvenate their health. Gavin tries to escape the battle, but ultimately fails, letting Zaina defeat him and win the fight. Here, I'll click print stats again, and you can see that my level, my credits, and my base damage have gone up. After all of this, I'll click option 5 to save my character into a new file, which I titled Game. I'll make my character leave the city, look at the stats for my character Gavin, and then save him in his own file. That's all, and I hope you enjoyed my project.